Everything will be alright, just believe in me. If I have you here with me, then your smile is all I need. You and I on the day that plays together, standing so high, reaching the sky. Felt the rushing wind of tomorrow. Can you feel it? My hand on your hand, overflowing courage and love. Feel the beat synchronize and our hearts harmonize, lifting me high above into the blue sky and beyond. I looked around the world and found the only, my one and only precious treasure. Now that I've got you, I've learned to believe in us, believe in the power together forever. I felt a quiet touch, a miracle from my heart on a magical stormy night. May sure is fast. She climbed up to the top in no time flat.
Yeah, we couldn't keep up with her at all.
I wasn't really trying all that hard anyway.
Really?
May, you sure are fast.
Yes, running and climbing is so much fun.
In other words, May's a tomboy.
You're just jealous.
What are you talking about? I'm always watching out for you guys. I've got your backs.
Hey, were you the first one to run away the other day?
Uh-huh. When was that?
When you ran away to go to
Ooh, who's that? Huh?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
These are some of the famous pickings from Mount Sawasawa. Please help yourself.
Thank you. They all look so good.
Oh!
The wild strawberries of Parapara Field are beautiful as always.
The wild strawberries are especially plentiful this year. My grandfather asked me to tell you to please enjoy them on his behalf.
Thank you for coming all this way to visit us all by yourself. Your grandfather must be very happy to have a wonderful grandson like you.
Wow. Kuro is the grandson of the High Elder of the Black Goats.
Cool. He sure does have class, doesn't he?
He's so handsome.
There's an air of royalty about him.
He even smells regal.
Wow.
That's enough!
What? What did I do?
What? What's going on?
Nothing's going on!
Huh?
Huh?
Kuro, is this your first time to visit here?
Yes, sir, it is.
There are many fine places to explore. Why don't you young kids show Kuro around the area?
Yes, sir. I'll take you around, Kuro.
Why, thank you.
I'll go with you.
I will too. Wait for me.
Where should we go?
I don't know. Sada Stream.
Come on, we're going too.
We are?
This is Sada Stream. Isn't it pretty?
Yes, just like its name. It's flowing so gently.
Yeah, usually it's quiet like this, but when it rains, there's more water, and it can get rough and dangerous.
Oh, really?
Yeah, So you have to be careful.
Oh, yeah.
What?
Nothing.
What's with Tap?
I think he's trying to impress Kudo.
He's sure sticking really close to him.
Tap probably sees him as a rival.
Kudo sure is cute. He's so sophisticated and knows everything. He's the High Elder's grandson.
How cool would it be to have a friend like him?
Everyone would be so jealous. Imagine hanging out with someone from another flock.
Ah, what a refreshing thought.
Yep, a friend from outside the flock. Bet they would never dream about having a wolf for a friend. What? Oh, it's nothing. Hey guys, the water's so cool. That forest. I wonder what's in there. Wow! It smells so good. Ah, I know. I'm going to look for a four-leaf clover to give to Gabu.
So this is where you went.
Huh? Oh,
What are you doing?
oh, nothing.
I'll bet you're looking for a four-leaf clover.
What?
All girls like four-leaf clovers, don't they?
Well, perhaps. Ah,
Hmm? What?
you probably have lots of girlfriends, so you know everything about what they like.
Not quite. I don't know everything, but I do know one thing about girls.
What's that?
Well, tell me if I'm wrong, but when a girl finds a four-leaf clover, she always gives it to someone she likes.
Really? I'm not sure.
Am I right?
Well,
You are so lucky.
I am?
Yes, because you're going to make someone very happy, and that in turn will make you happy.
Well,
So you're lucky. Am I right?
oh, what?
I'll help you.
Help?
It'll make me happy if I find one too.
Oh, thank you.
Anything for a new friend.
Thanks.
I think I got here too early. Hey, cool! May's favorite clover. Maybe I'll look for a present for her. What? A goat? Oh, bet he doesn't even know I'm here. Ugh. What am I thinking? And at a time like this when I'm going to see May? Gotta remember, I promised I'd never eat another goat, and I meant it! What? May? Huh? What? A four-leaf clover? May! May! Oh, how could I be so stupid? Who am I kidding? May's not gonna come. She looked so happy with that guy. She's probably forgotten all about me.
Gaboo!
May!
Have you been waiting long?
Nah, I just got here myself.
I'm so glad.
Gee, you're sure in a good mood today.
Huh? Here,
What? Oh.
it's a present, but
Oh, no. Thank you. It's a 4-leaf clover. Did you find it just for me?
find it?
Yeah, find it. I mean, I thought I'd just ask.
Actually, a friend found it for me.
What? A friend? You must have a nice friend.
I do. A very nice friend.
Oh, a nice friend.
You know, every time I see me playing, it takes me back to when I was a little kid playing those silly games.
Uh-huh.
Except I didn't have that much energy.
Uh-huh.
You're not listening, huh?
Uh-huh. What?
Tell me, what did I just say?
Say? Well, you said it's today.
Just as I thought. You weren't listening to a word I said.
No, I was, sorry, kiddo.
I was just kidding. It's okay. It wasn't anything important anyway. Now, it's your turn to say something.
What?
Well, you haven't said a word all day. You're no fun at all.
Me? No fun? You think so, kiddo?
Huh? Oh,
What? What's the matter?
I'll be right back.
May? May. It's that black goat again. I get it now. She came by for a little bit because she didn't want to break her promise. But she really wanted to go see him. They look so happy together.
Gaboo! Oh, now where? Gaboo? Okay, he's probably going to jump out and try to scare the daylights out of me. Boo! Oh, I'm sorry. Gaboo! Gaboo? Where'd you go? Where are you? Gaboo! Gaboo!
It's okay. If May is happy, then that's all that matters. I'll be...
Gaboo!
May? No!
Gaboo!
We should be okay now.
What's going on, Gaboo?
Nothing's going on, kiddo. That path can be seen from Baku Baku Valley. What do you think would happen if wolves saw you there?
You're a wolf too.
It's not funny, kiddo.
I'm sorry, but you disappeared, so I went looking. I was so worried about you.
Worried?
Yes.
Oh, you don't have to worry about me.
I don't?
No one needs to worry about a lone wolf.
What are you talking about?
Oh, nothing. You're safe now that you're here, but you'd better be going back.
Go back? To where?
You shouldn't keep your friend waiting.
Huh? Keep who waiting?
That, that black goat.
Black goat? Oh, are you talking about Kuro?
Yeah, whatever he's called.
Huh?
It's not good to keep friends waiting.
If you mean Kuro, he's not waiting.
Yeah? Whatever.
Kuro already went back to Parapara Field.
Went back?
Yes, he needs to return before it gets dark. He came over to bring a gift from the High Elder of the Black Goats. Kuro is his grandson, and everyone was swooning over him.
Everyone?
He's kind and handsome. And he's the one who found the four-leaf clover.
Oh, he did. Gee, that's nice.
Everybody was with him, but I slipped away from the group to come see you.
You did?
And when I saw he was leaving, I went to tell him goodbye. I'm glad I did.
Why...
Huh?
Why are you lying to me?
What lying?
It's no biggie, kiddo. Kuro sounds like a perfect match. He's more your kind.
What are you talking about, Gabu? Kuro is...
You'd be better off with him. Yeah, you should go back.
What? Go back where? What are you talking about?
We shouldn't see each other anymore either.
What?
You wouldn't want any weird rumors going around.
Gabu! What's the matter with you?
Yeah, it's best for goats to be with goats and wolves to be with wolves. Catch you later, kiddo.
Gabu!
I'm in the way, so I'm out of here. Good luck, kiddo.
You're nuts!
Ow! Ouch!
What exactly do you mean by goats should be with goats?
I was just saying that we should hang out with our own kind.
So you're saying we can't be friends?
Well, I just want you to be happy.
Happy? What are you talking about? So you think that I'd be happy if we went our separate ways?
Well, yeah. You'd be happier with a goat.
You are heartless!
May. Oh. May!
Oh, ouch!
Here, let me carry you. No, kiddo, you can't walk like that. It'll just get worse.
Whether I'm hurt or not shouldn't matter to a wolf.
I'm sorry for what I said! I saw you with that black goat and you looked all happy and stuff. So I said things I shouldn't have.
I'm sorry too. Does your bum hurt?
My bum?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, it's no biggie. What's more important than my bum is...
More important?
Yeah, more important is... It's no big deal. 'Cause I'm a wolf.
Because you're a wolf?
Yeah, kiddo.
Gabu,
Yeah, kiddo?
you're always coming to my rescue.
Well, yeah. It's only natural.
natural? What do you mean?
What?
I'm a goat and you're a wolf. That's not very natural.
Sure it is.
No, it's not.
Of course it is, kiddo. You're a special friend, period.
Gabu, you don't have to get mad.
I'm not getting mad.
I was just thinking that you were the one that was hurt that night.
Yeah, on that stormy night.
I thought that the sound of the stick you were using was the sound of hooves.
So you thought I was a goat, huh?
I'm so silly. If you hadn't hurt yourself, we wouldn't have become friends, would we?
Huh.
And if I didn't hurt myself today...
Yeah, getting hurt was the best thing that happened.
What?
Oh, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about me getting hurt on that stormy night.
Oh, Gabu. You are so...
Yeah, kiddo? So what?
You are so sweet to say that you're glad that you got hurt. You make me happy.
I do?
Yeah, I'm the happiest when I'm with you.
Yahoo! Yeah!